Welcome back, guys, to Everyday Auto Info on YouTube, or if you've been to our website, everydayautoreviews.com. My name's Chris. I'm going to be going over Turtle Wax Headlight Restorer. So I went and picked up this kit, mine the glove. The glove never came with the kit, but basically comes with two abrasive pads, double-sided. Each one has a number on it. Spray lubricant that's going to clean out your window, lens clarifying compound. Also, it comes with lens base coat wipe and a lens sealing wipe. For a lot of you guys, winter's coming, and you know that means that it's time to change the headlights. It's time to change your wiper blades. It's time for you to do some overall winter maintenance on your car. As you can see, this headlight's a little bit cloudy. This is light cloud. It's not nothing too crazy, but you know, a lot of people are changing their headlights and not getting a change in the light, and this could be one of the causes for that. And you know, it's winter time, so it's time to take a look at it. I'm doing a before shot. I'll also be doing an after shot as soon as I'm done. So our first step is going to be to wipe down the headlight. Make sure that there's no dirt or anything on the headlight. You want to make sure your headlight is as clean as possible. You also want to take the dry side and dry it off before you start adding any of the compounds. Some of the compounds definitely don't mix good with water. Alright, and then we'll move on to step 2, which will be adding the compound. Take the compound, add it to the corner of your towel, and wipe onto the headlight. Generous amount is definitely always recommended. Also, when you're doing this, you're going to want to add masking tape to the corners. There are abrasive pads that can do damage to your paint. You want to make sure that you tape those up. So I went ahead and skipped the application process. You just keep adding a good generous amount until you're done. I'm actually going to skip to the wipe off process right now. So these are pretty bad. Depending on how bad your headlights are is how much you're going to need to work on them. So we're going to go ahead and start with the abrasive pad. It has a number 1 on it, and your spray lubricant, which should already be ready to go. What you're going to do is you're going to add some to your pad. Me personally, I like going long ways on the car and making sure that you get all the spots that are discolored. We'll go ahead and skip this until we get to the end of it. Mind you, like I said, it's going to vary on how dirty or hazed your lights are, is how much you're going to have to scrub. So I did see more abrasion, so I'm going to go ahead and apply directly to, and then I'm going to go ahead and go on number 2. Now that I've gone ahead and scrubbed it with the number 2, go ahead and wipe all that extra off. Now normally I go through the full thing, so we're going to hit number 3 and number 4 next. But with number 3, instead of going side to side, I like to go up and down. just to make sure you get everything that you missed with this first and second one. Now that I'm done applying the third, I'm going to go ahead and wipe off any excess that I had on there. And we're in the final stretch, you know. This is hopefully going to be a really good product. I've heard good things about it. I've actually heard mixed reviews, so we'll see. Of course, there are better products you can buy with drills and drill attachments. Those are definitely going to be a little less work, because I'm not going to lie, a little bit of elbow grease. So we're going to move on to number 4 and finish this up. Again, you're going to apply, hit the back of 3, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this sideways. Make sure I get everything. I've gone ahead and applied number 4. Now I'm going to start wiping everything off. Again, you want to make sure you get everything off the headlight. You don't want to leave anything on there, because obviously we just sandpapered everything off of it. Alright. Now that everything's been dried off, we're going to go ahead and add the base coat wipe. Real simple. All you have to do is take it out of the package, unwrap it, and wipe everything down. Make sure you cover every square inch of this headlight. This base coat wipe is probably really important. Alright. I jumped the gun and I opened it already, but we're going to add the lens sealing wipes, and that's going to be the final step. As you can see, this headlight's a little bit cloudy. This is light cloud. It's not nothing too crazy. This is the after video of what the headlight looks like after we're done and cleaned it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. Don't forget to visit our website also, everydayautoreviews.com. Check out the products we have on there and the videos we have uploaded. We have also the giveaway that's going to be at the end of this video of who won the Meguiar's Tire Shine, and that's about it. Thank you, and you guys have a great day.
Do me a favor, like, subscribe, everydayautoreviews.com. Thanks.